Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to off WhatsApp data connection in Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first approach you want to take to off WhatsApp data connection on your Samsung phone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then on the apps page, you want to scroll down to the bottom and then select WhatsApp. So keep scrolling and select WhatsApp. Now, once you selected WhatsApp, scroll down, locate and click on mobile data. Now, under mobile data, go ahead and turn off allow background data usage. This is going to stop the WhatsApp application from accessing data on your Samsung. So just turn that off. Alternatively, you want to go back to the main settings. On the main settings page, scroll down, locate and click on connections. Under connections, locate and click on data usage. Then locate allow network for apps. Click on it and then hang on for this to open all available applications that use network on your Samsung, and then go ahead and select the WhatsApp application beneath. So just scroll down until you get to WhatsApp and then select it. Then you should see three options pops. On the option, go ahead and select Wi-Fi only. So your WhatsApp will only be connected to the internet if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. And if you don't want to use this option, then go ahead and open the WhatsApp application itself. Click on three dots at top right, select settings. Now, under settings, scroll down, locate and click on storage and data. Now, locate proxy and click on it. Then turn on proxy. Just go ahead and type any proxy you like here. You can just type 8.8.8.8 and then click on the check mark. Then go back. Now, once you have it like this, then you're good. This is going to stop the WhatsApp application from having access to the internet, and then you are good. And if you want to disable this, just go ahead and turn off all the features we turned on to grant access to internet or your WhatsApp again. How was that? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.